Friends, you are going to learn numerical on capacitors combinations when they are combined in series and in parallel. I am drawing a circuit using different capacitors. Let me have a capacitor 1, we have second capacitor, we have third capacitor, we have fourth capacitor. Let from this point take a wire and we have again a capacitor and here again a capacitor. Join this. This is said to be B joint and here this is A point. Let this capacitor is 40 microfarad, this capacitor 60 microfarad, this is 60 microfarad, this is again 60 microfarad, less this is 10 microfarad, this is 10 microfarad. So this is capacitors, this is said to be C1, this is C2, C3, this is C4, let this be C5 and this be C6. You have to find C equivalent. C equivalent capacitance, what is the value of C equivalent capacitance? And if potential V equals to 100 volt is applied, then charge from here is equals to what? This means that what is the value of charge? Let us solve this type of question. For solving this type of question, first of all you see that C2, C3 and C4. C2, C3 and C4 are in series because they will get same charge. So you will write here C2, comma C3 and C4 are in series. As we are saying the series, you know that in series 1 by CS equals to 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus 1 by C4. So this is equals to 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60, which is equals to 3 by 60, which is equals to 1 upon 20. So 1 by CS. So CS equals to 20 microfarad. So we get CS is equals to 20 microfarad. This means that these three capacitors combine to form a single capacitor. This combine to form a single capacitor known as CS, whose value is 20 microfarad. Now here you are saying that C5 and C6 charge when come from this junction, it divide into two parts. So C5 and C6 are in parallel. Now you are also seeing that as C5 and C6 are in parallel. So you know that in parallel CP equals to C5 plus C6. So this is 10 plus 10 equals to 20 microfarad. This means that these two capacitors combine to form a single capacitor having 20 microfarad value. Now this capacitor of 20 microfarad, this is 20 microfarad, they are in parallel because when charge Q come at this joint, they will divide into two parts. So you have, now you have CS and CP. This is said to be CP are in parallel. So what will you do? For parallel combination, you know that they will directly add up. So you write C parallel dash equals to CP plus CS. For C parallel we have 20 here, plus we have CS is also 20. So this add up and it give you 40 microfarad. Thus you've seen that these two capacitors combine to form a single capacitor having 20 microfarad value, 20 microfarad, which is said to be CP dash. Now C1 and CP dash are in series, and you know that in series they are added reciprocally. So we have 1 by C equivalent is equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by CP dash. 1 by C1 is 1 by 40 and here Cp dash is, again Cp dash is 40, right here 40 I am writing here. So this is also equals to 40. So this is 2 upon 40. This means that 1 upon 20. So C equivalent is equals to 20 microfarad. The value is 20 microfarad. Now you have to find Q in the second part. For B part, Q is equals to C equivalent into V. So this is equals to 20 microfarad into 100 volt. So this is equals to 2000 microcoulomb, which you can write 2000 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, which you can write 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 coulomb, which you can write 2 millicoulomb. So this is 2 millicoulomb you can write. Now let us have another numerical. Okay, we have learned the first